Void House is a farmhouse located within a cluster of farmlands, providing an ideal setting for farming and a peaceful retreat from urban life. The client's main desire was to have ample land for farming while also having a weekend house for their family. To achieve this, the farmhouse was strategically positioned in a diagonally opposite corner from the crossing of roads, allowing for maximum farming space and creating a larger foreground with greater distance from neighboring farmhouses. To create a tranquil journey away from the chaos of urban life, an elaborate walkway was planned. Instead of leading visitors directly into the building, the walkway terminates in an open courtyard, emphasizing a connection with nature. This courtyard serves as the first pause and provides an orientation towards the farmland. The built structure is positioned between the courtyard and the farmland, with a series of parallel walls supporting the roof. These walls not only create interesting spillover spaces and open verandas, but also divide the plot into two open areas. They act as buffers while connecting the courtyard and the farmland. Thanks for watching, and always remember that your home is a canvas waiting for your personal touch. So go ahead and start creating your dream space today.